Okay, today is about time management, and this is one of my favorite days. I'm going to start it out by talking to you, or reading to you a poem from a very good book called The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, and it's about the value of time. It's going to put it into perspective. So, to realize the value of 1 year, ask a student who failed his or her AP exams. To realize the value of 1 month, ask a mother who gave birth to a premature baby. To realize the value of 1 week, ask an editor of a weekly magazine. To realize the value of 1 day, ask a daily laborer who has to feed 6 kids. To realize the value of 1 minute, ask a person who just missed their train. To realize the value of 1 second, ask the person who survived an accident. To realize the value of a millisecond, ask the person who won the silver medal in the Olympics. Now, I really think that that's a pretty good poem that puts time into perspective. You know, time is the only thing that we cannot get back. And because of that, I want to share with you an activity that will help you manage your time pretty well. So, in the earlier stages of the 21, we identified the top areas of our lives and we set some goals within them. So for example, if yours are school or health, entrepreneurship, entertainment, maybe it's spiritual or social. Those are my 5, right? School, health, entrepreneurship, spiritual, social. So what I do every night that really helps is I spend the last 15 minutes before I go to bed. Now, a millionaire taught me this. Spend the last 15 minutes before you go to bed and write those 5 words down on a blank piece of paper. And then next to that, write down your short-term goal for that. So for example, for school, I don't actually write my short-term goal because I have it in my head, but I know that my goal is to get Dean's List. And so I go school, and then I write down what I have to do that next day. So for example, if I have 2 classes, I'll write them both down, and I'll write down their times. And then I'll go to health, and I'll write down if I have to hit the gym that day. Then I'll go to entrepreneurship and write down the task. And what I do is I give it like a 30-minute block at the end. So I'm like, okay, I've got to make a video today. It's going to take 30 minutes. So I write video, 30. Okay? Write down your top 5 things, block them out, and then before you fall asleep, plan out your next day. And that's the activity for today. Let me know how it goes. Give me a strength, weakness, opportunity, threat on this one. But this is one of the most powerful habits that you can possibly form. So get on it.